Good morning to everyone. I am Devesh Banerjee, lecturer of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Today, I discuss the topic on sampling theorem. In a communication system, there are two types of signal are used. First is continuous time signal. Okay, continuous time signal, which is called the analog signal. Continuous time signal is also called the analog signal. Okay, and second is discrete time signal. Discrete time signal, which is called digital signal. Okay, so continuous time signal is called the analog signal and discrete signal time signal is called the digital signal. So if we convert the continuous time signal into discrete time signal, we use the sampling theorem. So by the use of sampling theorem, we convert the continuous time signal into discrete time signal. So this is the sampling theorem or sampling process. Sampling process. Okay, so the input of the sampling process is continuous time signal, which is denoted by xt. Continuous time signal is denoted by xt. Okay, and next the output is discrete time signal, which is called the ht. So the continuous time signal is denoted by xt and discrete time signal is denoted by ht. By the use of sampling process, we convert the continuous time signal into discrete time signal. Okay, so what is the figure of continuous time signal? This is the continuous time signal. Okay, in time domain. This is the continuous time signal in time domain. Okay, if we, and this is the continuous time signal. This is also a continuous time signal, but in frequency domain. Frequency domain. Okay. Okay. This is the 0 and this is the FM plus FM and this is the of minus FM. Okay. This is the continuous time signal. Total is called the continuous time signal. By the use of sampling process, we convert the continuous time signal into discrete time signal. Discrete time signal means this signal is called the discrete time signal. Okay, so this called the discrete time signal. Okay, this is called the discrete time signal. So by the use of sampling process, this signal converted into this signal. So this is the continuous time signal and this is the discrete time signal. Okay, so what is sampling theorem? Next we discuss what is the sampling theorem. Sampling theorem is Fs greater than equal to 2Fm. This condition is called the sampling theorem. Fs greater than is equal to 2Fm is called the sampling theorem. Okay, so Fs is called the sampling frequency. Fs is called the sampling frequency. Okay, and FM is called the maximum frequency. Okay, so Fs is called the sampling frequency and FM is called the maximum frequency present in the sample. So if this condition is satisfied, the analog signal or continuous time signal converted into discrete time signal. So there are three conditions we arise from this equation. This is the equation 1. From this equation, three conditions are arise. First is Fs greater than 2Fm. Second is Fs equal to 2Fm. And third is Fs less than 2Fm. The three conditions are arise from this equation. First is Fs greater than 2Fm, and second is Fs equal to 2Fm, and third is Fs less than 2Fm. So what happened? This called Fs greater than 2Fm. This called these two conditions, Fs equal to 2Fm and Fs greater than 2Fm, is called the sampling. Okay, and this condition is called the aliasing. Okay, these two conditions is called the sampling and third condition is called the aliasing. Aliasing means when Fs less than 2Fm, the one signal is overlapped to another signal. Means this signal and this signal is overlapped to each other. When Fs less than 2Fm, these two signal, this is the overlapping portion, this is the overlapping portion. Okay, and this overlapping portion is called the aliasing. Okay, this overlapping portion is called the aliasing. When occurs? When the Fs less than 2Fm. But when first condition Fs greater than 2Fm, what happened? Okay, this condition is called Fs greater than 2Fm. This condition, the spectrum, each spectrum not overlap to each other. This spectrum and this spectrum are not touching or not overlapping to each other. From Fs greater than 2Fm, when occurs Fm equal to 2Fm. Just see when Fm equal to 2Fm. This condition is Fs is equal to 2Fm. What happened? Two spectrum of the signals are touching to each other but not overlapping. Touch to each other but not overlapping. This condition occurs when Fs equal to 2Fm. There are different types of sampling process. Okay, there are different types of sampling process. What is the sampling process? By this process, we convert the analog time signal or continuous time signal into discrete time signal. So there are three types of sampling process. Okay, there are three types of sampling process. First is instantaneous sampling. Okay, and second is natural sampling. And third is flat top sampling. There are three types of sampling process. First is instantaneous sampling, second is natural sampling, and third is flat top sampling. Okay, this is the sampling procedure. So this is instantaneous sampling is the theoretical method. Okay, and this two technique is practical method. Okay.